Hello, I'm Richard Bowser. I'm the editor of Property Investor News magazine. I'm here today in North London with Thor Portess, who's an investor and developer who I've known for about 5 years. Thor, we're here in Tottenham in North London at one of your most recent property projects. So let's start out by giving people viewing this video for the first time. Tell us a little bit about yourself and your background.
Hi Richard. So yeah, we've known each other for probably 4 years or so now, I guess. Yeah. This is a development project, so I've done mainly buy and sell in London.
Right.
Managed to hang on to a few properties as well.
Yeah.
So started just after the crash. Obviously had to use innovative strategies because finance was difficult to get.
Yes.
And then the last 2 years in London, obviously we've had really significant growth. So it's basically using the existing strategies that we've had and building on that to tap into the development market. Because obviously the cost of finance is, it takes a lot of profit away from these deals. So if you can bypass that, which is what we've done here, it obviously increases the profit for us as developers and for the seller.
Yeah, and also, you've made some good points already, Thor, which people, I'm sure, will be interested in that. The cost of finance, obviously the last 6 or so years, developers had to realise the consequences of the credit crunch and the austerity programme and lenders being much more risk averse. I can remember talking to a lady a year or so ago who had paid 18% on bridging for a 9-month development until she found a commercial lender who realised the track record that she'd had and was able to offer much better terms. But without doubt, as you say, cost of finance is a big factor. A couple of years ago we met up at one of your developments in Stroud Green, and as you mentioned already, the capital growth in and around many parts of Greater London and particularly Central London has been quite extraordinary until quite recently. So roughly what sort of percentage increase would you say that Stroud Green property has seen in the last sort of 2.5 years since I looked at it with you?
Yeah, that's a very interesting question. So recently did an analysis this year of properties that we've either bought or put a contract on and then sold,
right, and
the properties that we've kept in London, and the lowest growth in the last 5 years is 80% and up to 130%. So the property in, that's over 5 years, the property in Stroud Green has gone up 50% in the last 2.5 years. Yeah, it's pretty staggering growth.